Choose the Cut function. Select the object to cut. The Cut editor opens. Use the left panel to perform the cut and the right panel to preview. Select Cutting Plane. Indicate a flat cutting surface. The portion of the profile opposite to the arrows will be removed. Select the cutting plane and optionally reverse the portion to be removed. Use the preview to verify the correctness of the cut. Make any changes and press Finish to execute the operation. The cut profiles are also visible in the 3D model. You can also perform a cut by subtracting volumes from other objects. Indicate the profile to cut and choose the Subtract Entity option. Select the element to subtract and complete the operation. The cut profiles will appear in the 3D model. You can perform a fillet cut between two profiles. Choose the Cut function and the Fillet mode. Select the two elements to join. You can also define a cutting volume using a polyline. Select the Cut function and the object to cut. Choose Polyline Cut mode and select a flat surface. Draw a polyline on this surface using snaps. A volume defined by the polyline is created. Complete the operation and check the profile cut in 3D, adjusting object visibility if needed.